Welcome. On this lesson, we're going to learn how to determine the rate of an investment of $10,000 for 15 years, compounded monthly, where the final amount needed is $21,900. So what we need to do on this one, we're determining rate, so therefore I made it red so you'd know. The present value is $10,000, but make sure that you put it in as a negative $10,000 or else Excel won't calculate it properly. N per is going to be time. So it looks like it's 15 years, but remember it's 15 times the 12 months a year. So actually there's going to be 180 payments made, or in interest payments made. The payment is zero. We're not using it. We're not adding any funds, and the final amount needed is $21,900, and we're going to make sure that's positive. Type again will be zero. So therefore we go to rate. We come up to formulas and financial again. Click down. Go to our rate formula. In this case, we have an N per. Remember, it's 180. The payment is going to be zero. You don't need to add it in, and I'll show you really quickly why you don't. Present value is 10,000. The future value needed is 21,900. Notice we didn't put anything here in payment or type, and we still have an answer shown right here. So even if we do put in the cell for payment and a cell for type, our answer is going to be the same. So we end up with zero. Obviously, that's not right. Now, this is where we're at. We have to create this to make two cells, so 0.044%, but it's not really a percent. So therefore, this is per month. So actually, it would be that answer times 12 months. That would be the 5.24% interest rate that we're looking for. Okay, so there's a little bit of more complication on this one, but you got to keep track. If their number of payments are higher, then we also have to divide that interest rate, or include that interest rate, multiply that interest rate by the same number of payments. Because if we did, now for example, let's say it was just 15 years and we didn't include the number of payments, then our interest rate instead of 5.3 would have been 5.36. It does change a little bit. But it isn't that extraordinary. However, you won't get the correct answer that you're looking for if you don't include it. So remember, you take the number of payments times 12, and then you take the interest rate and multiply that by 12. And notice it's 5.24%. Okay, I know this one was a little longer. It's a little bit more complicated, but hopefully it'll help you out. Thank you.